Hello, in the computer science paper second, the chapter first is Introduction to Microprocessor and Organization of 8085. In this chapter we will see the several register topic. First is the accumulator. Accumulator is 8-bit register. Many times it is treated as a part of ALU, and we have seen what is meant by ALU, arithmetic logic unit. This register is used to store 8-bit data, and in arithmetic and logic operation the result is stored in accumulator. We know that the microprocessor operate on the binary data, and this arithmetic and logic operation result is stored into the accumulator. Second is the status register. The status register consists of flip-flop that are set or reset according to data condition in accumulator. Status register is also called as flags. Means status register is depend on accumulator. Whatever the flip-flop set or reset, it is depend on the accumulator condition. Okay, next is the program counter. It is a 16-bit register. It contains the address of the next instruction to be executed. It can be incremented or reset by control section. Program counter is a 16-bit register, and it shows the address of the next instruction which we have to be executed. Next is the stack pointer. Stack pointer is also a 16-bit register like the program counter, but function of the stack pointer is different. It consists of address of memory location called stack. This is stack pointer, so it contains the address of memory location, okay, that called as stack. Stack is a set of memory locations in read-write memory specified by programmer used for temporary storage. Okay. Next is the 8085 microprocessor. The Intel 8085 is an 8-bit purpose microprocessor. This is another also the 16-bit general purpose register, but 8085 microprocessor has 8-bit general purpose microprocessor. This microprocessor is capable of addressing 64 kilo of memory. This device has 40 pins. Listen careful, this device has 40 pins. It is a compulsory question that how many pins have to microprocessor 8085, and it requires the +5 voltage signal power supply, can operate with 3 MHz single phase clock. Okay, now we will see the 8085 pin diagram and its functions. See what are the working of 40 pins of the 8085. 8085 is housed in a 40 pin dial-in line package, means DIP. Okay. See, all pins of 8085 can be classified into 6 groups. First is the address bus, 8 signal lines A15 to A8, which are unidirectional and used as higher order address bus. These are the unidirectional, means unidirectional it works in only one direction, means it will only send, not receiving. Okay. The next is the multiplex address or data bus. These signals lines AD7 to AD0 are bidirectional. They are used as lower order address bus as well as the data bus. They are used for dual purpose, means these are the bidirectional data bus, means both the direction bidirectional incoming and outgoing also possible in this multiplex address. Okay, means read and write or input or output, both operations are performed in the multiplex address. Data bus are used to transferring data from one place to another. Okay, so the transferring means sending and receiving, both the operations are performed in the multiplex address. Third is the control and status signals. This group of signals include 2 control signals, read and write, means RD and WR. 3 status signals, input, output or memory, S1 and S0 are, and one special signal ALE. ALE means address latch enable. Okay. Next is the fourth, power supply and frequency signals. VCC means for +5 voltage power supply and VSS for ground reference. X1 and X2 are the crystal having frequency 6 MHz is connected at these two pins. Okay, these pins are power supply and frequency signals, and clock out, this is the clock output pin. Okay, fifth is the externally initiated signal. The 8085 have 5 interrupts, and in last lecture we have seen what are the interrupts and how they work. Interrupt means INTR, RST, restart 7.5, restart 6.5, restart 5.5 and trap. These signals can be used to interrupt a program execution. Whenever microprocessor performs operations on the your giving instructions, that time externally initiated signals can interrupt your program execution. Sixth is the serial input output ports. SID and SOD means serial input data and serial output data are used to serially input output ports, whatever initial benefit of serial input output ports. Next topic we will see in next lecture. Thank you.